Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to get 1-year Gemini. Begin by confirming eligibility and gathering ID, account, and payment details to streamline the process. Next, choose the correct subscription option and follow prompts carefully to avoid errors. Keep billing info ready to complete purchase quickly, and note renewal settings so you control ongoing charges. If you hit a snag, pause and review steps or contact support for clarification and next steps. Create or sign in to the account you will use for the 1-year Gemini subscription, then verify your email and any two-factor methods to secure access. Navigate to the subscription page and carefully select the 1-year Gemini plan, checking included features and terms before continuing. Enter payment details accurately, confirm billing address, and review the final screen to ensure the charge and renewal settings match your preferences before When purchasing the 1-year Gemini plan, use a secure network and an updated browser to reduce errors and protect payment data. Look for promotions, bundles, or offers that may lower the annual cost or add benefits, and apply codes before finalizing. After purchase, save confirmation emails, receipts, and any account reference numbers so you can manage billing, verify the subscription period, and resolve disputes quickly if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.